You putting it in from the car?
Mm-hmm.
So it's not going to break it?
I don't know. It's a masonry bit. There it is. Can you bring me that drill over there? Please. Really need to find a charger for that. It's weird because
you can see him?
yeah.
Is he fuzzy? Because